안녕, 은비 언니예요. Today I'm going to cook a Korean instant noodle. Actually, a cold noodle, not the hot instant noodle with the soup. It's a cold, sweet and spicy noodle that's been super popular in Korea recent days because it's a brand new. It's a new thing there. It's called Jin bibimbap. Before I cook this up, I'm going to explain a little bit on this cold spicy noodle and reason why it's really popular recent days. So I'll have to start explaining about this one to understand the hype of this one on South Korean's culture right now. So this one, it's been around for a long time. Like I think it's launched when I was like 7. And this one is like Koreans' all-time favorite cold instant noodle. So for Korean people, when you say bibim on some specific food, it's a food that's being mixed with spicy sauce. And this one came from the brand called Paldo. Paldo is the very first company who came out with this bibimbap idea. And later on, other companies started making different versions of bibimbap. But then still, this is the most popular, and almost 10 out of 10 Korean people would pick this over other bibimbap. So it's been really like long time, all-time favorite of Korean people. The reason why this is really popular right now, of course, because of its taste. I have not tried this yet, but I have tried some other different bibimbap from other companies. But then those are like, oh, that's not as good as this one. And this one recently came out and reviews are really fascinating. And I see many people think this is way better than this one. And I'm so curious how it'll taste like. So I'm going to cook this new version, like I mentioned earlier, not this all-time favorite. I'm going to cook this one. I'm going to try this one. This one is really easy to get in the States as well. It's you can get it from eBay. You can get it from online Korean marketplace. I mean, it's just everywhere. It's really easy to get. This one, not quite yet. Not quite just yet. I think it's here in LA, but not all the Korean markets in LA still, because it's a new one. Let's try this. First, boil the water, and when it starts to boil, I'm going to put the noodle in. Oh my god, why is it broken? Why? This cold instant noodle, I mean, all types of cold noodles are really popular in Korea in summer because, of course, it's hot. So if you guys have never tried any Korean cold noodle, you guys really should. It's really good, especially when it's hot out there, because you are craving for something cold, right? Boil it for 3.5 minutes. I think it's done. Let's turn off the light and drain this. So drain this and wash this with cold water because you want this to be cold. You want this noodle to be cold, right? And the purpose of washing this noodle with cold water is not only to make it chill, but also washing noodle after you boil it, the texture is a lot better than not washing it. Or you can also put some ice if you want to make it even colder. Okay, let's transfer this into my dish. And these 2 packets come along. And this red one is sauce. Obvious it's red, right? But the sauce. Oh my god, it smells good already. Squeeze it till every drop out of it. Okay, and I'm going to mix it. And now I'm going to sprinkle this one. So this is sesame garnish. In Korean, it's called gomyeong. So gomyeong is some garnish that you put over the food when it's finished, like sesame seed and some seaweed, just like this. So I'm just going to mix a little. Okay, let's try this. 잘 먹겠습니다. Mmm. 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 This is good. Oh wait. Wow, this is good. And this is actually a little bit more spicy than this one. It tastes, actually the sauce, I don't know how they did it. But the sauce is kind of similar to to this blue one. It's kind of very similar, but it's more spicy, and I don't know, it tastes somewhat more refreshing, like they put cucumber in it. It feels like they put some cucumber in it, but there's no cucumber. So this is interesting. Really good, really good. Like I said earlier, if you have never tried Korean cold noodle, you should try this one, because this one is really easy to get. I mean, not this one, because this is the new one. So it's kind of not easy to find it other than Korea. So, but this one is a lot easier to find all over the world because they sell it online. Well, actually, I think they sell it online too, because eBay, you can find anything from eBay, so. I like it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. 안녕. 근데 이거 진짜 맛있다.